The question asks us to identify how many listed properties are intensive. Intensive properties do not depend on the amount of substance taken. Let us solve step by step. An intensive property remains the same when we change the size or amount of the sample. Molar heat capacity and molar mass are defined per mole, so they are independent of the actual amount taken. Both are intensive. Molarity is a concentration, which is a ratio, so it is intensive. Standard cell potential also does not depend on the quantity of material, so it is intensive. Volume, Gibbs free energy change, and mole depend on the amount of substance. Hence, these are extensive, not intensive. So the intensive properties are molar heat capacity, molarity, standard cell potential, and molar mass. That gives a total of 4. The total number of intensive properties is 4. For more clear step-by-step exam solutions, keep learning with Acharya.